All right, guys, 2008 Chevy Impala V6. What we got done on this beautiful car. Factory converter there. Then we did a resonator delete right there. Then ran 2 1/4 pipe out the back. And then installed a FLOWMASTER Super 44 right there. Part number 8042443 right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then we finished it off with a dual tip out the back right there. Came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. So again, it's a FLOWMASTER Super 44 and a dual tip right there. There'll be a link in the description for both. Carbon fiber tip. And then there's the muffler and there's the resonator that were on it that we cut off right there, guys. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. 08 Impala FLOWMASTER 44 resonator delete. Loud. That's not bad at all. Your sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 95. Yeah. So it's not crazy loud. It just sounds clean. Chevy Impala. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Impala FLOWMASTER 44 resonator delete.